Hello Internet! Today we have this nasty 2080 Ti from Asus that comes with hair, dust and grease all over in one package.
Oh my God!
After cleaning and performing visual inspection, I stumbled in this area right here. Which makes me wonder, is there something in this bag that came with this card? So let's take that something and try to straighten its legs, and maybe we can solder it on. Fighting with it for long enough and breaking its legs in the end, I figured I'll just take this part from a donor board provided by a viewer like you. Thank you for making my life a little easier. With the part installed and the grid pads and traces fixed, let's try to take some measurements. 12 volt with kiloohms, 3.3 kiloohms, hex with 6 ohms, this here is 12 volt, 5 volt with 10k, 1.8 volt with 2 and 2k, this here is a USB-C for some reasons, and the rest are all 12 volt and 14 ohms on memory. Okay, let's power it on and see if it blows up. PEX is good, nothing on USB-C, obviously. 1.36 on memory, 0.8 on the core, 12 there, 5 here, and 1.8 there. Very odd for Asus to put USB-C so far away from the port. Confusing the heck out of me, but who cares? Let's boot this thing and see if we can pass a memory test. Good, I finally get to fix a card that does not have a memory problem. Woohoo! Quick test revealed that this card does seem to run okay, so let's give it a new set of pads and put it all together and run a stress test, which as you can see was passing no problems. The one problem I did notice was the wobbly middle fan. I took the shroud apart to see if I can do anything about it, but I don't have a fan like that, so the customer will have to buy and install it themselves. Otherwise, the card will sit here for another month. And with that said, this is it for this repair. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.